Did you know that your gut health impacts your energy levels, mood, skin, and even weight loss? Studies show that over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, yet most people unknowingly sabotage it daily. So, what happens when you reset your gut for just 14 days? I led a 14-day gut cleanse for myself and my clients, and the results? Unexpected, powerful, and in some cases, life changing. Hey, Eva here, your holistic health and transformation coach. And I don't just preach this stuff, I live it. I designed and led this 14-day gut cleanse, not just for myself, but for an incredible group of women who wanted more energy, better digestion, and sustainable weight loss without fat diets or suffering. And let me tell you what happened inside our group chat and inside the cleanse. Wow, the transformations were real, raw, and deeply inspiring. So today I'm sharing exactly what we experienced, the unexpected challenges, and the results you might not believe. Let's dive in. If you've ever felt bloated, sluggish, constantly craving sugar or coffee, or waking up exhausted even after a full night's sleep, it's not just you. Gut health is at the root of almost everything in your body. Your gut isn't just about digestion, it's connected to your energy levels. Ever felt like you crush at 3 p.m. and you need coffee or sugar to keep going? That's often a sign of blood sugar imbalances and poor gut health. And trust me, I've been there. Your cravings. Sugar cravings aren't about willpower. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, your body literally demands sugar to feed the bad bacteria. Your skin. Acne, dullness, or unexpected breakouts, anyone? Your skin is a direct reflection of your gut. If your gut is inflamed, your skin will be too. Your mood. Did you know that 95% of serotonin, your happiness hormone, is made in the gut? If your gut is out of balance, you're more likely to feel anxious, irritable, or even depressed. Your weight, struggling to lose weight even when eating healthy? Your gut bacteria play a huge role in how efficiently your body burns fat or stores it. So I designed this 14-day gut cleanse because I've been there. I know what it's like to feel exhausted, bloated, and trapped in the cycle of cravings and low energy. And after years of experimenting on myself and then working with clients, I saw firsthand that when you reset your gut, everything changes. So I invited an incredible group of women to do this together. And what happened next? Let me introduce you to some of them. One of my clients, Huda, shared how she felt lighter and no longer bloated after just a few days into the cleanse. And another client, Emilia, realized she wasn't actually addicted to coffee. She was just using it to suppress hunger. And once she started eating a real breakfast, she had way more energy and fewer cravings. She actually gave up coffee. And then there was Zenobia, who had a hilarious moment when she instinctively reached out for a cookie, only to realize that she had hidden them so well for the cleanse that she'd need a ladder to get them. That's how you remove a bad habit, make it difficult. These stories just prove that gut health isn't just about digestion, it affects your entire life, and it can affect it either positively or negatively. So, what does the 14-day gut cleanse actually involve? Here's what we did. Started every morning with warm lemon water and a flaxseed cocktail. This became a ritual for so many of us, helping to improve digestion and reduce bloating way beyond the 14 days. We removed inflammatory foods, so no sugar, no alcohol, no dairy, or ultra processed junk. We focused on gut loving foods, so think fermented foods, fiber rich veggies, and proteins that don't trigger bloating. We also did morning detox rituals, so dry brushing became a favorite discovery amongst participants. One of them said, "Where has this been all my life?" And mindful eating habits. So many women realized that they were eating out of habit, not hunger, and they became more aware of their choices. What was the hardest part? I think the first few days. Zenobia said, and she admits that by day 3, she was craving sugar really hard, but by day 6, her energy skyrocketed. Her bloating disappeared and her craving disappeared too. And let's not forget the meal prep game. Seeing the women share their plates in the group chat, colorful, nutritious, and delicious, was so motivating. So by the end of week one, the biggest shift, I think, was energy levels. Like Zainabia shared that she woke up at 5:15 a.m. without an alarm, and something that she'd never been able to do before. And I know it's to do with giving up coffee and giving up sugar so that your body is able to tune into your inner energy levels without relying on external stimulants like caffeine. And personally, I feel clean from the inside out, like my skin, digestion, and mental clarity all improved. But the best part, I think, it was that I no longer drink coffee first thing in the morning. I actually switched to tea and matcha. Also, one of my favorite moments, I think, was the realization that eating healthy doesn't mean suffering. Women in the group started loving their meals, and even after the cleanse, they wanted to keep going. And cooking at home made them feel more connected as well to their husbands, their partners, cooking together. That's quality time, right? So if that's your love language, I think you're really going to enjoy doing that too. So was this cleanse worth it? 1000% yes. Because here's what we realized: your gut isn't just about digestion, it's about how you feel, how you think, and even how you age. If you're struggling with low energy, stubborn weight, or constant bloating, this is where you need to start. So I want to know, what's your biggest gut health struggle? Drop a comment. I would love to hear. And if you're ready to experience more energy, better digestion, and fewer cravings like these incredible women in our group, join the 14-day gut cleanse. Check out the link in the description for more information on how to do it. You can also start with my free 7-day habit challenge. It's a perfect way to build lasting habits without overwhelm. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps to get the message out to more people. And if you're all about holistic health, simple habits, and real transformations, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video from me. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay well and trust your body.